So now we're going to create a brochure using online template of Microsoft Word. First, select File, New, and then in the search box, type brochure, then enter. Let's take a while. Let's wait. And then choose the style you want and select Create to download. The template will automatically open a new Word document. Then select sample text, then change the font styles, font size, and color. As you can see, I'm typing there. I'm changing the font style and font size. It depends on you and what content you will put on or type in there. But as you can see, I'm putting my content will be endorsing the School of Arts and Sciences, or inviting the first year students to choose the School of Arts and Sciences. Then replace the sample images. There, as you can see, I've put the images I wanted. So as I have what I have said earlier, that I'm encouraging the first year students to choose the School of Arts Sciences. So there in the cover page, I put the name of the university, the Biliran Province University, BIPSU. Then slowly I'm changing the images one by one, editing the color, the design. Then as you can see, I'm reviewing what I have added. And also you can change the theme color. Then save the changes to the brochure when you finish customizing. So you go to File, Save As, Desktop, and choose Word 97 2003 document. So since I haven't added the saving, and then here's the final output, the brochure that I have made. I printed it. Here you go.
I'm going to teach you how to create monthly budget in Excel. First thing you need to do is to highlight your desired columns and rows to create a table. Then, click this upper box and select all borders. Now that you have created a table, highlight it again and select Format as Table. Select the desired color that you want. Now that you have selected the color that you want, as you can see here, there are small boxes with arrows. So these boxes are filters. If you want to manually put some filter, just click Sort and Filter. But because we click Format as Table, it automatically gives filter to your table. After customizing your table, now you can put some inputs for your monthly budget. As you can see in what I've created, I put housing, then projected cost, actual cost, and then difference. Below the housing, I will put the things that I needed to budget on, such as mortgage and rent, phones, and other expenses. After putting all the things that we needed to budget on, highlight projected cost, then click the dollar sign. Do the same as well at the actual cost and difference. After putting a dollar sign, click the respective expenses that you want put on a budget. As you can see here, I put 500 on the projected cost of phone and the actual cost 300. And the projected cost of electricity, I put 3,000 and its actual cost 3,500. I also put projected cost of gas, which is 1,000 and its actual cost 1,200. After inputting the amount of each expenses, click difference, then type the formula for subtraction. After putting on the formula on difference, highlight projected cost, then click auto sum. Also do the actual cost. Then at difference, put the sum formula. To do the sum formula, type equal sign, then capital SUM, open parentheses, and then first click the first amount. To click the second amount, press Ctrl key first, then press the second amount until you press all the amount. After pressing all the amount, put close parentheses, then enter. After getting the sum of the difference, highlight difference, then click conditional formatting, then click the desired formatting that you want. In this example, I click the arrow formatting. Now that we've finished the first table, we can proceed to the next table. So to make it easier, you just need to highlight the whole table, then right-click and press copy. Put on the desired space that you want to put your second table. Then click the paste button or the Ctrl V. Now that we have pasted our second table, change the things that you wanted to change in the table. As for me, I change it to a transportation table. For the second table, we don't need to do a lot of work because it will automatically change its sum when the amount in the projected cost and actual cost will change. So the only thing that we needed to do in this second table is to change the things that we needed to change. As for example here, we change it into transportation. So we put things that are related to transportation, then change its projected cost and actual cost. that we've finished editing the second table, we may now start in copying and pasting other tables that we needed to do. Now that we've finished all the tables, we will now create a table for the total projected cost, total actual cost, and the total difference. Now that we've finished creating the table, we will type the sum formula to add all the projected costs, actual costs, and total difference. The formula is the same one that we used earlier. After finishing creating the table, we will now proceed to create another table for the projected monthly income and actual monthly income. After finishing the projected and actual monthly income table, we will now create the projected balance, actual balance, and difference table. To get the projected balance, we need to subtract projected income minus projected expenses or projected cost. Then to get the actual balance, we also need to subtract actual income minus actual cost. And to get the difference, we need to subtract actual balance and projected balance. To subtract, you need to use the subtraction formula that we used earlier. After solving your projected balance, actual balance, and difference, your monthly budget is now finished. You can do some minor changes or adjustments to make it look much better.